आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so the question is, a certain radioactive material is known to decay at a rate proportional to the amount present. If initially there is 50 kg of the material present and after 2 hours material has lost 10% of its original mass, right? Then we have to find expression for mass of the material remaining at any time and mass of the material, then the time at which the material has decayed the half of its initial mass. So first of all, let us consider that here this n denote the amount of material present. This is basically amount of material present, right, at time t. So we can say that dn by dt must be equal to minus k, which is equals to 0, right, because it is decaying at a rate. Now this differential equation is separable and linear, so therefore its solution can be given as n ce raised to power kt, right? Now see, at time is equals to 0, if you put the value you will get n is equals to 50, right? Therefore we can say here that because 50 kg is given, right, so here we can say that 50 is equals to c e raised to power k, where t is equals to 0. That means from here value of c comes out to be 50, right? Now thus we can say here n is equals to 50 akt. So we have find the mass of original material is n is equals to, this is the answer of first part, right? Now you know that at time is equals to 2, right? At time t is equals to 2, 10% of the original mass, that is if we say 50 mg or 5 mg has decayed, so we can say that at time t is equals to 2 and will become 50 minus 5, which is 45. So what we have to do is we have to substitute this in this equation. Now you will get here, instead of n you will write 45, and 45 is equals to, this will be 50 e raised to power 2k. So from here if you find the value of k, you will get 1 by 2 half of log 45 by 50, right? Now substituting this value in second equation, you will get your time. So I can say that n here is equals to 50 e 1 by 2 and this limit will be 0.90, where this t is measured in hours. So this is your third answer, the time decade, right? Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।